From the highest reaches of space to your desk on Earth, the same trusted design, proven durable.
Welcome to where legendary ThinkPads are built. Today, I'll show you engineering excellence. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Secured area with Intel vPro processors for ThinkPad. Enterprise-grade chips with management features. Climate-controlled storage. Each processor tested for enterprise reliability standards.
The ThinkPad's legacy is built on relentless testing, ensuring every device meets our highest standards for durability and performance.
ThinkPad component tracking. Every part tested to military standards. Complete
ThinkPad motherboard under advanced AOI cameras. 50 megapixel imaging from multiple angles.
Internal solder joints inspected, BGA connections verified, military-grade quality assurance, no defects tolerated.
Testing 10 million keystrokes per key. Water spill simulation. ThinkPad keyboard proving legendary durability.
ThinkPad hinge endurance testing. Opening and closing continuously. 50,000 cycle minimum requirement. Stress testing beyond specifications. Hinge durability proven.
The backlight uniformity on this X1 keyboard isn't meeting standards.
I see it. Some keys are definitely brighter. Let's start an investigation.
We need to ensure that this uniform
Meets professional quality standards.
I agree. The current diffusion pattern inconsistencies.
Okay, try adjusting the refractive index on that section.
That's better. See the improved output uniformity now.
point to one. Rồi chỉ đến không thông qua câu tập bóng xuống quyết định để cái app. We just go để mà đi trên để mình platform của để lo việc luôn cái
Look at the heat dissipation on this.
Much better. The larger pipes and new chamber are working.
The field reports show unacceptable variations in Wi-Fi signal strength across several ThinkPad units. We need to ensure this meets all connectivity requirements for enterprise performance.
Let's check the RF transparency of this carbon fiber again. The data shows inconsistent recognition rates across multiple test subjects.
We need to recalibrate the sensor sensitivity.
Every ThinkPad entering comprehensive military testing, drop tests, spill tests, thermal cycling, vibration testing, 100% tested to professional standards.
Welcome to the Lenovo Enterprise Service Certification. Today, we'll focus on professional repair training for ThinkPads. Here at Lenovo's R&D Center, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of professional technology and durability.
Lenovo partnerships with Fortune 500 companies, custom ThinkPad configurations, professional support programs, enterprise collaboration.
Let's review our professional standards and quality metrics. Our commitment to excellence is what defines us.
Yesterday's quality was 98%.
Good. Today's target is 99. We must maintain standards.
This connection here seems a little loose, and it might cause problems later.
Okay, team, looks like we've got a component failure on Unit 7. Let's run diagnostics.
I'm on it, reading high variance in the voltage regulator.
Can we bypass or replace it quickly?
तो लगता है कि बॉपी डिटेक्टिव से फिल्म चार्ज रह गया और की कुछ टाइम क्या फ्री पे सपिंग सामने ही है और ये सब हाथी हकीकत को
$100 million ThinkPads. Congratulations to the team.
By recalibrating this sensor array, we can increase diagnostic accuracy by 15%. I think we've identified the root cause.
The adjustments we discussed should improve the process.
Let's implement these changes and monitor the results closely. The Q3 production numbers are stable, but we have a quality alert on line 2.
I'll review the documentation and implement the revised protocols immediately. Now you know ThinkPad manufacturing secrets. What impressed you most? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. Next, Dell's enterprise laptop secrets. Then, Surface Laptop Precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.